Hello again, guys. These are the top 10 most terrifying facts about black holes. The silent monsters in the dark, devourers of light, destroyers of time. In the vast emptiness of space, nothing is more feared or more mysterious than black holes. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most terrifying facts about black holes. From scary to utterly mind-breaking. Stay till the end. The final fact might change the way you look at the universe forever. Let's dive in. Black holes don't emit light. That makes them invisible to the naked eye and to most instruments. They're detected only by how they affect their surroundings. For example, a star wobbling oddly, or gas heating up as it's pulled in. The black hole at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A, is invisible. We only found it by observing stars orbiting. Nothing spooky, right? You know what? A black hole could be roaming through space in our galactic neighborhood. And we wouldn't see it until it started devouring something close. Einstein's relativity shows that gravity warps time. Near a black hole, time doesn't just slow down. It stretches extremely. You could spend an hour near the event horizon and return to find that decades have passed elsewhere. In the movie Interstellar, the crew visits a planet near a black hole, and a single hour there equals 7 years back on Earth. That's not just science fiction. That's actual physics. If you were near a black hole for a few minutes, everyone you know could be long gone by the time you came back. Some black holes have magnetic fields that shoot out relativistic jets. Streams of particles traveling near the speed of light. These jets can stretch for hundreds of thousands of light years and can fry anything in their path. The galaxy M87 has a supermassive black hole that emits a jet you can literally see from Earth with radio telescopes. If Earth happened to be in the path of one of these jets, it'd be instant extinction. And we wouldn't even know what hit us. A black hole's event horizon is the point of no return. Beyond this boundary, escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. And since nothing travels faster than light, not even photons can escape. This is why black holes are black. Not even light gets out. But around the edge, we can see superheated gas glowing, like a warning light at the mouth of doom. If you cross that line, and it's like falling out of the universe. Forever. Black holes can rip apart full-size stars. When a star wanders too close, tidal forces rip it apart, creating a glowing debris field. A process called tidal disruption. In 2019, astronomers watched a black hole literally eat a star. The event was named AT 2019 QIZ. And it was so bright it briefly outshone the host galaxy. A sun-like star, just like ours, turned to ribbons and fed to a cosmic monster. Some scientists theorize that primordial black holes could have formed just after the Big Bang. And they could be the size of atoms but with the mass of mountains. If one passed through Earth, it would tunnel straight through, possibly leaving a trail of destruction, and we might not even notice until it was too late. These tiny death traps could be drifting through space, invisible, undetectable, and potentially deadly. At a black hole's center lies the singularity. A point where gravity is infinite, matter is crushed to zero volume, and our known laws of physics fail completely. Is it a one-way door to another universe? A rip in space-time? A storage closet for deleted cosmic data? No one knows. If physics breaks down in black holes, what does that say about the reality we live in? Black holes can collide and combine into larger ones, releasing titanic amounts of energy, gravitational waves that ripple across the universe. In 2015, LIGO detected 2 black holes merging. The energy released in that moment was more than the power of all stars in the observable universe combined. There's no limit to how big black holes can grow. Given time, a single one could consume a galaxy. As you fall into a black hole, gravity pulls harder on your feet than your head. This difference grows so extreme that your body would stretch into a long, thin strand. Like spaghetti. This isn't poetic. It's called spaghettification. And it's a real term used in astrophysics. You wouldn't just die. You'd be slowly unraveled by gravity itself. And you'd still be conscious for a moment as it happened. One theory of cosmic fate is the Big Crunch, where expansion stops, reverses, and everything collapses into a single massive black hole. Even without a big crunch, black holes could one day outlast every star, slowly devouring all matter and energy, leading to a cold, dark, black hole era in the far future. In the end, there may be only black holes and nothing else. Black holes remind us that the universe is as dangerous as it is beautiful. They're not just theoretical oddities. They're real. They're out there. And they are far more terrifying than science fiction ever imagined. If you enjoyed this dark journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more terrifying truths about space. Until next time, stay curious.